ты не будешь базарить и газовать.
Смотри, Николай-то. Еще что-то.
Yo, what's up you all, everyone, my hood, everyone, yo, what's up, basically speaking. So, my Russian friends have showed me some popular guy who beats everyone in the street fight communication when you stand one-on-one. The video gonna be shown, poop. So, what's happening in the street fight and what's happening when you engaging somebody, so it happens often, and most of the time, 90% of the time, everything finishes correctly, but depends on the area you are in. So if you're in Russia, it's most likely gonna escalate and you won't be able to escape physical confrontation. So in this situation, what I would suggest to you is first of all, to know yourself, who you are, and if you are lion, you know what to do already. I don't have to explain you anything, but if you are gazelle, at this stage you still can learn something from the lion. So first thing first, what you do by establishing that, you understand if the person is far away from you, good, let him stay there. If he is close to you and coming close to you like this already, and he is pretty much damaging and telling you, I'm gonna do this, and you, this is the state when he's waiting for you to say something yes or no, like saying no, but and here he will try to drop you off. But he is the most important when you're talking to man on man. You try to put your hands right here, first thing first, and talk to him this way. But you don't drop your head down up like this. You try to leave your head a little bit like this and look through your eyebrows. But you try to talk to him from the distance. This is what I would advise. Don't start doing this shadow boxing and things like this. It doesn't work like this. But if you know the person or two of them attacking you, and you know that they're gonna follow their natural instincts and they're gonna follow their natural habitat of being savage animal, then you're gonna punch them. And this is exactly what I'm going to teach you. So first of all, let's come here. So if you're standing one-on-one like this, you don't just stand, you get ready to handle him. First, there are two sneaky way and open mind way. If he disagrees, you make him warning, but usually you don't give the warning. It's always like that. So you stand like this, and then you like, understand, you do with the left hand, and you don't punch with your knuckles, because most likely you will break it if you're not professional. That's why I would advise you to hit with this part, so much harder. And when you're standing, and then you like, you see the step that you're doing all the way, and this is how you're gonna drop the person. If you know how to hit, you're also gonna hit with this part of the body, not this part or not this part. This one also can actually, because it's like a blade, but this one is a proper target that you doing. So you stand like this, and then, but personally what I prefer, if somebody is less significant than me, who doesn't require to be destroyed straight away, I do straight liver punch, or depending on the stance. If he's left-handed, then I do straight away to the liver. If he's right-handed, then I will do to the liver. But that depends as well. For me, I prefer giving the slap, but make sure when you slapped him and he's fallen, try to catch him afterwards. Some of them not getting KO'd instantly, so if you're a righteous person, don't give a mercy to that person. Simple as that. Так, еще раз. So what you're gonna do, once you do this, if he's not falling, you must continue until he stops. The fact that you started first gives you leverage and advantage in this fight. So you gotta do it first, but not right one. Right one you can see, he will lean back, therefore, understand? Try to use with your thumbs, with your hands. Woo! And lastly, bonus option. So if he's really is a bully, you gotta confront it first. And first of all, if you look at MMA itself, if you look at the Conor McGregor itself, try to buff up a little bit. So he starts the fight like this, like a small person. but then he stood up like this and he makes the whole different set of emotion. He's bigger now, understand? And then you give the handshake and then you can smack him. But depends, you know. I am not a fan of that mode, but here it is. That's it. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions, type in there. Woo!